Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer music licensing assets into CapCut safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer music licensing assets into CapCut safely, begin by ensuring you have all the necessary files ready. First, access the music licensing platform where your assets are stored. Log in using your credentials to gain access to your music library. Navigate to the specific track you want to transfer to CapCut. Once you've found the track, confirm that you have the proper licensing rights for usage. Download the audio file to your device, making sure to save it in a compatible format. Next, open your CapCut application on your device. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the music. Look for the audio section within the CapCut interface. Select the option to import music files from your device. Locate the downloaded audio file in your device's storage and select it. Once imported, the audio track will appear in your project timeline. Before finalizing the project, review the audio to ensure it plays correctly. Adjust the volume and edit the track as needed to fit your video. Once satisfied, save your project to secure your changes. Always keep a backup of your licensing documents for future reference. Remember to fully comply with the licensing agreement terms while using the track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.